Hello, everyone. Welcome to this story, a story that may feel close to your heart. It's not about big dreams or magic. It's about something smaller, but more real. This story is called The Missed Call. Please listen carefully and repeat aloud. You may see your own life inside this story. The moments we lose when we say, "I'll do it later."
My name is Sarah. Every day, I wake up at 6:30, drink my coffee, check my phone, and rush to work. The world feels fast, too fast. That morning, my phone buzzed while I was getting ready. It was a call from my dad. I looked at it and didn't answer. I told myself, I'll call him back later. I'm late for work. Just 5 seconds. That's all it would have taken to say, "Hi, Dad." But I didn't.
In the car, traffic was terrible. Cars were honking, people shouting, rain starting to fall. I kept checking my phone. One missed call. Then another message came in from my boss. Meeting at 9. Don't be late. I turned on the radio to calm myself. A slow song was playing, something about time and how we never have enough of it. I laughed to myself. So true, I said out loud, but I didn't really think about it.
The whole day was meetings, phone calls, emails. I kept thinking, I'll call Dad after lunch. Then I'll call him after work. Then I'll call him tonight. But when night came, I was too tired. I sat on the couch, scrolled through my phone, and fell asleep before I even realized it.
The next morning, my phone rang again. Early, around 6 a.m. This time, it wasn't my dad. It was my mother. Her voice was shaking. "Sarah, your father had a heart attack last night." The room went silent. I couldn't breathe. The words didn't make sense. I just stared at my phone, wishing I could go back one day to that morning, to that call I didn't answer. The next week felt like a blur. Funeral, flowers, people saying kind words I couldn't hear. At home, I kept replaying his last call on my phone. Just the sound of it ringing, over and over. 5 seconds. That's all. And then, one day, I found a message he had left 2 days before. His voice was soft, calm. "Hey, sweetheart. Just wanted to check on you. You sound busy these days. Don't forget to rest, okay? Call me when you have time. Love you." I listened to it again and again. Those words, "when you have time." I had time. I just didn't use it. Months passed, but something inside me changed. I started calling my mom every day,
even if only for 1 minute. I stopped checking my phone every 5 seconds. I began to notice the world around me again. The smell of rain, the sound of people laughing, the way sunlight falls across a table. I still work hard, but now, when my phone rings, I answer, because sometimes one small call can be the difference between later and never. Now, every time I see my father's picture, I remember what time really means. It's not hours or numbers. It's the people you share it with. It's the love you give before it's too late. So, if there's someone you've been meaning to talk to, do it now. If there's something you've been dreaming to try, start today. Don't waste your time waiting for a perfect moment. Moments don't wait.
My friend, time is not about how long you live. It's about how you live. Don't let small excuses steal your days. Don't let fear or busyness keep you silent. You can always make more money, buy more things, even meet new people, but you can never make more time. So use it with love. Use it with purpose. Use it now.